Welcome to the Transportation, Leadership, Planning, and Performance Institute learning modules. In this section, we teach you how to navigate each learning module and its different learning components to have a great learning experience. We have a total of 26 learning modules in this course. Let's look at the first module. You can see the appropriate title and what it covers here. Now let's go inside a module. Click here to enter Module 1. Each module has 5 components. These sections are: Number 1, Rapid Review Lecture of the Basics. Number 2, Advanced Talks that include Professors in a Box section and our Transportation Expert videos. And number 3, we have a short assignment or mini scenario for you to resolve. And then you can move on to take the quiz and finish the module. We have also an extra optional section for feedback. We highly value your feedback as it can help us improve the course. Each learning module is sequential and you can navigate between modules by simply clicking on the links or the right and left arrow.